Come here, dear. Sit with me for a moment. Your chest feels tight again, doesn't it? Thoughts rushing, emotions rising. This heaviness you're carrying, you think it means you're falling behind. But listen carefully. When a soul is transitioning into a higher chapter, life grows quiet, confusing, and strangely heavy. You're not failing, you're shifting. When your next chapter is bigger than anything you've lived before, your world slows down. Not because you're stuck, but because I am preparing you. The silence around you is not punishment, it is protection. The paths you once ran on don't feel the same. Your excitement for old things is fading. Your heart is pulling inward. This is the first sign. Your soul is resting, so it can rise. You're tired, deeply tired. Not the kind sleep can fix. It's the exhaustion that comes from shedding old versions of yourself. Your emotions are resetting their shape. Your intuition is clearing its old noise. This heaviness you feel is your inner world reorganizing. You are not falling apart. You are falling into alignment. Another sign is the people leaving, the misunderstandings, the distance, the feeling that you don't belong where you once felt home. Don't fear it. When I shift your destiny, I remove the ones who cannot walk into the next chapter with you. Some souls were only meant for your past, not your future. You are not losing them. You are making space. You look around and whisper, "Why does nothing feel like before?" Because your consciousness is changing. Your desires are changing. Your identity is changing. This confusion is not a setback. It is a sign that your old life no longer fits you. You may notice old habits returning, old wounds reopening, old fears rising again. It feels like a backward step. But listen to me. This is the last wave, not the first. When a cycle ends, it rises one last time before disappearing. So don't panic when old pain returns. It's leaving your system. You cry more lately. You sense energies more deeply. Your emotions feel loud and raw. You call it weakness. I call it awakening. You are becoming who you were always meant to be. A soul connected to truth, not illusion. You crave silence. You avoid noise. You prefer your own company. You think it's isolation, but solitude is where I speak to you the loudest. You're not hiding. You're healing. One day recently, you felt a strange urge to begin again, to clean your room, to reset your mind, to break the loop. This impulse isn't random. It's your inner self telling you the old chapter is complete. You're frustrated because everything seems delayed. Plans get paused. Opportunities slip. People become distant. It's not rejection. It's redirection. I am aligning your timing with your destiny. So listen carefully, dear one. If life feels heavy right now, if everything seems slow, if your heart feels tired, you are not being punished. You are being prepared. Let yourself rest. Let yourself feel. Let yourself shed. Let yourself become. You are stepping into a chapter where your peace will be deeper, your wisdom will be clearer, and your connection with me will be stronger. Hold my hand. You're transitioning, not failing.